Good morning, Barb and Vicki here, and we're headed out to Stagecoach to this morning, Saturday morning, and we are going out to open up a property so a former tenant can remove their belongings. Vicki, how much do you like doing that?
It's honestly one of the worst parts of being a property manager.
Right. It sure is. Doing a lockout, actually, I think is probably the worst thing and the thing that both of us dislike the most.
That's true.
However, this is another part of that. If you've ever done a lockout as an owner, you'll know that the next part of that is to open up the property so that the tenant can remove their belongings. And you definitely want the tenant to take all of their belongings. If they don't, that as a property owner can cost you a lot more money, be it with labor that it will cost you to have their belongings packed up or moved out. Usually, in most cases, there's not really anything that's worth trying to recoup any of your lost money from, because most lockouts are actually done after the person hasn't paid. So they already owe you money, and so you're just making a bad situation worse. So in order to mitigate as much of the cost that we possibly can, we try to get the tenant to take all of their personal belongings out. So that's what we're doing. Stagecoach is a rural area here in northern Nevada, and we are one of the few property management companies that still offers property management in those areas, Stagecoach and Silver Springs. So we actually have an office in Silver Springs. So
So there's a couple things that you have to keep in mind when you're doing a lockout. The tenant has 30 days after they're locked out to have reasonable access to get their belongings. After the 30 days is up, then we have to notify them that in 16 days we will be disposing of whatever is left, unless they have given us written permission to dispose of it sooner than that.
right, and that's one of the things that you, as a property owner and a landlord, definitely need to remember, and you want to do that correctly and follow the letter of the law to the T, because if you don't, it can really cost you. You can get in trouble. The tenant can take you to court, and it can end up costing you a lot more money, especially when the judge hears that you disposed of their property or you sold off of their heirloom ring that happened to be in a dresser, hidden, taped to the top of the
Right?
top of the drawer. Anyway, you want to definitely make sure you do this correctly. So the laws have changed in northern Nevada, and you want to make sure that you're following them correctly. I think that's about it. Do you have any other things that you wanted to tell them, Vicki?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, yeah, this is Barb Robinson-Ramirez and Vicki Dame from Ballard Company Property Management, and we are willing to help you if you're going through this or about ready to go through this. So give us a call, and we'll see if we can help you. Otherwise, if you are looking for someone to do property management for you, we're your team. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.
Bye.